喺未進入 ARA 嘅理論之前，我想首先 define 咗我哋要處理嘅個案先。我明白喺主流學校裏邊，如果我哋話為有讀寫困難嘅小朋友做訓練，可能會好敏感，因為傳統上喺主流學校讀寫障礙嘅小朋友係會由 EP 去負責。咁 ST 個 role 喺邊度呢？喺呢度，我想帶出一個 term 叫做 Written Language Disorders。Written Language Disorders 呢個 term 係喺 ASHA 嘅 webpage 度揾到嘅。簡單嚟講 ，language disorders 嘅表徵可以喺聽、說、讀、寫4個範疇度揾到，而 Written Language Disorders 就係集中講緊喺讀同埋寫2個範疇度會出現嘅問題。越嚟越多嘅文獻都指出 reading difficulties 其實係一個 language 嘅問題。最 classic 嘅分法將 reading difficulties 分類做 dyslexia 或者係 reading comprehension impairment。前者係由 phonological skills 嘅 weakness 造成，即係語音嘅操作嘅困難；後者係由不同嘅 oral language 嘅問題嘅弱項所組成。喺呢度我唔想 go through 太多好艱深嘅理論去 justify 乜嘢為止 dyslexia 或者乜嘢為止 reading comprehension impairment。我只係想強調，無論佢係閱讀定還是書寫，佢都係一啲 language based 嘅 problem。而當個小朋友有 language based 嘅 problem 嘅時候，言語治療師就會有一個責任去處理呢啲問題。而 direct treatment 嘅 goal 往往亦都同一般嘅 oral language disorders 差唔多，一係就 introduce 一啲 items， 一係就 introduce 一啲 language rules behind， 令到個小朋友喺學習語言嘅時候係會減少障礙。總括嚟講，言語治療師喺處理 written language disorders 嘅時候係責無旁貸嘅。接住落嚟，我哋會講下一啲同 ARA 有關嘅理論。喺 ARA 最重要嘅一個理論係嚟自 Seidenberg and McClellan 1989年所講嘅 Triangle Model。呢個 model 將一個 lexicon 分做3組嘅處理器，包括係 orthographic 嘅處理器，即係處理文字嘅 processor； phonological 嘅處理器，即係處理語音嘅 processor； 同埋 meaning 嘅處理器，即係處理意思嘅 processor。簡單嚟講，當我哋嘗試去閱讀一啲 printed words， 例如左下角呢個 make 字嘅時候，我哋會先喺我哋腦裏邊嘅 orthographic processor 裏邊尋找同 make 呢個 word 一樣嘅 entry。當我哋揾到呢一個 entry 嘅時候，同 make 呢個 entry 相關嘅意思亦都會 activated。同樣地，同 make 呢個字嘅聲音亦都會被 activated， 而當然佢哋係儲存喺 meaning 同埋 phonological 嘅各自嘅 module 裏邊嘅。咁當我哋揾咗佢嘅意思同埋揾咗佢嘅聲音呢，我哋就可以提取翻出嚟，然之後讀佢做 make 啦。喺呢個 model 入邊 ，orthography、phonology 同埋 meaning 係3個獨立嘅 module。佢哋各自負責儲存同埋 process 各自嘅 information， 即係話 orthography 係愛嚟負責儲存同埋 process 一啲文字嘅信息 ，phonology 就係愛嚟儲存同埋 process 一啲語音嘅信息 ，meaning 就係愛嚟儲存同埋 process 一啲意思嘅信息。除此之外，呢3個 module 之間嘅箭嘴就講緊 information flow 嘅 direction。你見到大部分嘅箭嘴都係 by direction， 即係話其實 information 可以由 orthography 去 meaning， 同樣道理亦都可以由 meaning 去 orthography， 即係話 orthography 去 phonology 或者 phonology 去 orthography 亦都可以。同樣地 phonology 亦都係可以去 meaning 亦都係可以去 phonology。簡單嚟講，當我哋去做 reading 嘅時候 ，once 我哋 recognize 咗呢個 make 嘅字係 something， 我哋已經學咗 store 咗喺我哋 orthographic 嘅 lexicon 裏邊嘅話，我哋 either 可以係 through 個 meaning 去攞個 phonology，即係讀音，或者由個讀音攞咗再攞翻個 meaning 都係可以嘅。當然，亦都另一個可能性就係兩件事係同時發生啦。用呢個 triangle model 嚟去解釋我哋點樣去認讀一啲我哋學過嘅字係非常之有用。咁但係如果我哋一啲未學過嘅字，我哋又點樣讀得出嘅呢？咁就要帶出另一個 classic 嘅理論 dual root model 啦。呢個 dual root model 好似一啲新嘢，但係其實細心啲睇，我哋都係講緊 orthographic input lexicon，即係頭先嘅 orthography 嘅 processor，phonological output lexicon，即係頭先嘅 phonological 嘅 processor，同埋 semantic system，即係頭先嘅 meaning 嘅 processor，即係話都係剛才嘅三角理論嚟嘅。不過喺除咗呢三個嘅 module 之外，佢係加咗一條 root 叫做 non-lexical root，就係呢個由 Grapheme Phoneme Rule System 組成嘅。Grapheme Phoneme Rule System 就即係嗰啲 S 係讀 S、T 係讀 T、K 係讀 K 咁樣嘅 rule。用呢個 rule 係可以幫我哋讀到一啲我哋未曾學過嘅字，例如呢個 pseudo word smat。字典係揾唔到呢個字，因為我係就咁拼出嚟嘅啫。但係我哋之所以讀得出呢個字讀 smat，就係因為我哋用咗呢啲 Grapheme Phoneme Rule，即係頭先講嘅 S 係讀 S， 然之後 M 係讀如此類推嚟去拼出嚟嘅。呢個 dual root model 係講到當我哋去讀一啲英文嘅 words 或者讀一啲 alphabetic 嘅 words 嘅時候咧，其實我哋 either 係可以用一啲拼嘅方法，或者係用一啲我哋已經識嘅字嘅方法去做。簡單嚟講就係用一個 lexical root，即係我哋已經識嘅字，或者係 non-lexical root，即係我哋唔係經我哋已經識嘅字嚟去做。咁呢個 dual root model 咧係講到咧，其實當我哋去閱讀嘅時候咧，其實 lexical root 即係 through 呢一邊嚟去讀到嘅方法，或者 non-lexical root 即係 through 呢一邊嚟去讀到嘅方法，其實係同時進行嘅。咁簡單嚟講咧 regular words 咧，例如呢個 hat 嘅時候咧，其實佢兩個 root 係同時間一齊進行嘅，睇下邊個快啦。如果係 high frequency words，可能其實 lexical root 仲快啲。咁假如佢係一個 low frequency word 嘅話咧，其實可能個non-lexical root 係快啲。但係 either way 咧，佢都係可以讀得出呢個 regular word 嘅。咁但係如果係一啲 irregular words，例如呢個 ni，咁嗰個 k 係唔讀㗎啦。咁如果我哋淨係用 non-lexical root，即係用呢個 Grapheme Phoneme Rule System 嚟去讀嘅話咧，就會讀錯字啦。咁要去讀呢個 irregular words 咧，就一定要 through 呢個 lexical root 嚟去讀到啦。咁當呢一度irregular words 嘅 processing 嘅時候咧，就會出現一啲competitions 啦。因為佢喺 lexical 同埋 non-lexical 嘅 root 咧係會得出唔同嘅答案，所以咧亦都解釋咗點解咧 irregular words 咧往往佢嘅閱讀嘅 speed 咧係會慢啲嘅。嚟到呢度你可能會問啦，咁中文又點算呢？咁中文咧我哋就可以用翻另一個 dual root model suggested by Weeks et al. 2006。咁你會話又另一個 model，咁唔緊要，你再細心啲睇下，其實我哋都仲係講緊 phonological orthography 同埋 semantic，即係其實都仍然係第一個嘅 triangle model 啫。同樣道理，我哋有 bidirection 嘅箭嘴去話俾我哋聽 information flow 係點。留意呢度咧 ，according to Weeks 咧，其實中文係唔會有 non-lexical root。即係話我哋任何嘅 processing 都係 based on 一啲 lexical 嘅 processing 嘅。咁又點解會叫 dual root 咧？咁佢就講到咧，就係我哋可以有一個 direct lexical，即係 information 係 from orthography to phonology directly 去做，唔經 semantics，或者係一個叫做 lexical semantic root，即係經過 semantic，然之後先至再去 phonology 嘅情況。 簡單嚟講就話，當我哋閱讀一個中文字嘅時候，一係我哋就唔諗佢嘅 meaning，直接就已經可以讀得出；或者其實我哋係要提取咗佢嘅 meaning 先至再讀得出。總括嚟講，喺 ARA 裏邊最重要嘅一個理論就係呢個三角理論 （orthography、phonology 同埋 semantics），亦即係平時所講嘅形，即係字形；音，即係字音，同埋義，即係字義嘅一個三角理論啦。而喺下一節，我哋將會講到點樣利用呢個形、音、義嘅三角理論去解釋一啲閱讀困難嘅問題。